Okay, so here's my issue, or maybe your issue. Your tailgate won't open. You're pulling the handle, but both sides aren't opening. Maybe you got some weird string attached like this one where you got to yank it to the side in order to get the thing to open. Well, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how this works. There's two pieces on the inside when you lift it up that squeeze together. And I'm going to show you for about $6 how to fix this on your old Dodge. This is a 78 Power Wagon, but this is going to apply to any old Dodge pickup. All right, let's dive in. First things first, you're going to have to remove those 3 screws I just showed you on the back of your tailgate. Well, I think these things have been messed with before, so we're just going to hit them with a little bit penetrating oil. Let that seep in. Okay, this one was loose. I don't know if I should be worried or not. These two I really had to bear down on. Make sure you get yourself a nice Phillips with a good tip, the larger size. I was able to break these loose. Okay, land on my back. See that clip right there? And see how this one's missing it over here? Two things. One, somebody bent the heck out of this thing. That shouldn't be like that. And two, it had a rope tied to it. So we're gonna disconnect it from the other side, pull this all the way out, straighten it back out, and then hook the correct clip on there. Get yourself a 1/2-inch drive, undo those two. This whole thing slides out just like this. Okay, this is what's instrumental. It is Dorman part number 75450. You can get it from your local O'Reilly's. Man, I'd like to get sponsored by O'Reilly's. Hope they're listening to this. Get this bad boy right here, and one of these clips, I'll find out the right one and show you, is what you need to fix that tailgate. We got this in a vise, straighten it back out. We'll probably have to take it out, slide it over, and bend it so it's totally straight, but we'll pop this open, I'll show you which one you need. Okay, pulling everything out. These are the two that I believe will work. This one right here, there's a clear one like this and another smaller clear one. The longer clear one looks most like what's in the truck right now. This looks very similar, so this may work. I think we're gonna put this one away and we are gonna go ahead and install this one. Okay, this is for illustration purposes only. So I've got the little plastic piece installed in the rod. You actually don't want to install it like this before you put it in the truck. You want to put it in the truck, install the rod to the tailgate mechanism. This is just to show you how it all goes together, strictly for visual purposes only. Put the white part in the hole first, and then you're going to go slide this part around. Again, I'm going to have to set the camera down, but you basically, this part goes over top and that other little tang goes underneath. It's self-explanatory when you got it in your hand. Should look like that when you're done. Go ahead and hit it with some grease and then install everything and check it out, see if it works. Time to test it, let's see. Oh yeah, like a glove. Did you just get done watching that video and you're like, wow, that was really helpful, and I wonder if this guy has more content? Well, he does. So if you like to see stuff on old muscle cars, I've got an old muscle car. This is a 64 Comet. I got tons of videos on this. Maybe you like newer stuff. I've got a twin turbo Mustang. It's for sale. You can check that out too. Check out my channel. I hope this helped you out, but don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if it didn't work for you, or if you have any comments, or this works on older trucks or whatever. This is for a 78, but I think what I just showed you is gonna work for a ton of new trucks too. Hope it helped. See you next time.